Ooh, a bald eagle. Ah! Ah!
Oh, that's so cool. Oh, green heron.
Oh my gosh, you just got a fish. If you would ask 5 years ago, would I be out birding and like looking for birds, I would have been like, no, no way. Like I had no interest in it. Really cool bird.
Common yellow-throat female right there. So whenever I'm like going out doing some activity outside, I have a pair of binoculars with me. I basically bird all the time.
Ooh, a hummingbird. I've been an animal girl for my entire life.
I got into birding pretty young.
I am a baby birder. Have been birding for like 2 years.
I've been bird watching for about 15 years.
I love American crows. I have them tattooed on my body because I love them so much.
My first tattoo ever was of a tufted puffin. I remember looking through books and then seeing a tufted titmouse in a tree and going, I know exactly what that bird species is. And that was like worlds aligning, montages of birds flying. That was the moment that just triggered that spark. The thing I look forward to the most when I'm birding is new and weird things, odd behaviors that I hadn't noticed before.
The things that come up for me are going to be rustling leaves, any type of call, any noise really that's not like human, that's going to get my attention to turn around or stop.
I think as a curious human, it's always exciting to like find new and interesting facts that oftentimes will like help you understand that bird while you see it.
Birding is for every single person in the world.
I think creating community around it is really important. Creating those groups and safe places allows people to like feel like themselves, and often in that you can connect to nature a lot easier. There's not a spot in Oregon that's like devoid of birding. Portland is just incredible no matter where you go, and there's always these like specialty birds in these pockets of Oregon.
I look forward to being able to be out of that like mentality and that like space in my head that's like stressed, where I can just like be outside and really not think about anything but birds.
I'm still learning so much. I still get surprised often while I'm birding, and I think that is like something I didn't expect.
A lot of pure joy, a lot of solace and comfort.
A layered experience outside is pretty enjoyable and pretty rewarding.